that bird up a little bit.
Nice. First turkey?
Yeah.
All right. Nice job.
Well, last night we came through here. We drove around a bunch of our properties and found a giant flock that was hanging out. We knew they were going to roost in these pine trees behind us here, so we got permission just to make sure we were good to go. Talked to them, and I had talked to them previously, but we were all set up and just had to double check with them. So we plan on coming back here in the morning. We had some hunters from International Falls come down, as well as a few local boys that were hanging out with us. So we got out to the property here real early, about an hour and a half before legal shoot, and we came out. We split up. Me and some of the local boys went down to the corner of the field, and then the International Falls guys, they worked their way, kind of set up in a tree line on the property with the roosted turkeys right behind them, and that's where these guys set up, and they were the first ones to see them. So that's all I know from that point of view. Tanner, if you want to.
So we got here in the morning, like really early, and there were turkeys gobbling, like they're all the time behind us. And, I was just waiting for them, and just sitting there, and my leg fell asleep, and then I just got really tired. I'm just sitting there, and then the turkeys flew in after a little while, and they started coming in slowly, but not very fast at all. Then they walked by two, I think toms probably. Yeah, two big toms walked by, and they were just out of range. So we had to wait for the next ones to come by. And another group of toms came by, and I just took my pick and shot him.
Nice. Once that started, that got the whole flock moving down towards our corner of the field, and they were probably 120 yards out more than likely, but they were all trucking down in a big line. But there was a big tom in the front and two toms in the back, so we started calling. Everything else went through except for those last two toms, and there was one hen that was hanging out with them. So they cut over. He started strutting right away as soon as we started calling, and they worked their way over. It didn't take more than a minute, 2 minutes for them to cover that distance. They got right up into the decoys. We had a tom, a few hens set up, and he started picking a fight with the tom and gave us a chance to shift around a little bit, get a shot. Shane got his first turkey, so congratulations, Shane. But we'll head on to the next spot, and the call. That's what we used. That's what I used down on my end of the woods. I don't know what Steve was using down here, but just custom hobby game calls. This was the kind of the starter mouth call. So real easy to call, get the hang of. It's got decent rasp. And just some simple yelps is all it took to get their attention, even after probably a minute, 2 minutes after they had gotten shot at. They ran down the field, just calmed them right down. I think I started with a couple putts, if I remember right, just to let them know that we were a little nervous, and then tried to settle them down with some yelps, and they came right in. So another awesome hunt. Praise the Lord for a beautiful morning, and some turkey for the table. So let's head to the next hunt.
Did you?
Yeah.